Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you make a photo collage on Samsung Gallery. So let's get started. First unlock your phone, then open the Samsung Gallery application. After the app is open, you can see all of the saved photos and videos listed there. Now scroll through the page and find the exact photos if you want to make photo collage. For example, I am set this both or triple photo my photo collage. Simply first of all tap on hold any single photo. After the selected notice appear, you can select multiple photo. After you selected all of the photos, at the bottom menu bar you can see 4 different options. You can click on the create button. From the pop-up menu, this time you can find the collage option. Tap on it. In the collage page, you can see different multiple collage appear there. Simply choose the collage if you like. For example, I am selected. After you have selected, you can also adjust the picture. Once everything is okay, to save it, at the top right corner find the save button. Simply click on it and wait to complete the page, and automatically done. To check it work or not, simply go back to the previous screen, scroll all the way to the very top. This time you can find the collage photos appear there. Simply tap on it and view the full screen page. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. If this video will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video.